Hey guys, so today I have a video all about my skincare because let me tell you, my skin has been on a journey. Since COVID-19, I have been very stressed and anxious and worried, and I've been trying to take better care of my skin and also doing more self-care things in general, which I think everybody has been doing. But my skin has had its problems. If you guys have been watching my videos for even a few months, you guys know that I've had issues on and off with my skin, having like some small bumps, just kind of like on one side of my face or on like my chin area, and I wanted to get rid of those and get just smoother skin. And I actually tried out some face peels and I absolutely love these products. This works and I'm really happy with the results. I actually have some before photos and you can see that my skin was really rough, especially on my chin area. My skin, I don't know why my chin area, that's like that was a problem area, but since I've been trying these products, it's just cleared up and it's just stayed good. I even had my period recently and my skin didn't flare up like that photo or those photos. So it's really interesting to see how much of a difference that these products really made. And this video is actually sponsored by Perfect Image, and these are the products that I've been using. The first product that I started using that I was really impressed by because it started working instantly is this deep gel cleanser. This is the salicylic deep gel cleanser, and it's enhanced with tea tree oil and green tea extract, and this is amazing. I actually used this for about a week before I started the first peel, and just a heads up, my skin is very sensitive, so I used this once and I really liked it, and then I just gave my skin a couple days to kind of relax after that, and then I used it again and then the next day, and then my skin's been great. So yes, I will start off with this, and I love this cleanser. This is probably my favorite cleanser I've ever used. I absolutely love this. And then I also have a couple different peels. And at first I was a little bit nervous about trying a peel because I've never done it before. And I know you've probably seen, I don't know, I instantly think of like Samantha from Sex and the City when she tried a deep chemical peel and her skin just got really red. But I also know that if you prep your skin for it and if you just follow the directions, you should be okay. And that's what I've done. I even did like a small patch test on my skin just to see how it would respond, and everything's been a-okay. So yeah, again, these are the two different peels that I have. I really like these. I have the Tri-Clarity peel pads and also the Pineapple Pumpkin Enzyme peel. And a chemical peel uses an acid or a combination of acids in specific concentrations and pH levels to cause a controlled damage to the skin, much like a sunburn. So this triggers the skin to remove outer layers of dead skin and promote stimulation of healthy cell growth and turnover. The newer, healthier skin underneath is revealed when the outer skin cells are removed. So if these products are used correctly and consistently, the products can produce beneficial and effective skin change, which is something I've definitely noticed in the short amount of time I've been using these products. These work much better than the standard over-the-counter products, and they're great for wrinkles, lines, dark spots, scars, acne, hyperpigmentation, uneven skin tone, and more, just depending on the product. And after using the facial peel, I'll just make sure to rinse my face with some water to remove all of the product. But anyway, the next thing I use after I do one of the peels is hydrate my skin. And this is a Hydra Repair Wrinkle Cream. And this is amazing. This is replenishing. So after using a skin peel, I will apply this to my skin. And you can use this 1 to 2 times a day. And I just massage it into my skin for about 15 to 20 seconds, and it just feels amazing. I absolutely love this. So those are all the products that I've been using. I really love this brand. Perfect Image has the best products in my opinion. I really, really like these skincare products. These are products that I want to continue to use forever. I really was impressed with these, and again, I have sensitive skin, but these weren't too much, especially just following the directions and just doing like a little patch test and making sure that everything was okay moving forward, and using a peel, and then having that Hydra Repair Wrinkle Cream. It feels so good, and you will definitely see results. You will love the way your skin looks. So I highly recommend these products. Again, this video is sponsored, but I would not recommend these products to you if I wasn't a full believer in them. So yeah, if you guys are curious about some good skincare products, definitely check these out. I really love this brand. They just have the best skincare products, especially if you want to see results right away, which I did because I was getting tired of seeing my skin just flare up like that. Anyway, that's it for this video. I hope you guys are having a great day. I hope you found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one. All right, bye.